morning and welcome to part 8 of event notification. So in this video we are going to see the introduction of event notification and we'll also do a hands-on on event notification. So let's start. So let's start with the introduction of event notification. So let's take an example that we have a bucket and in the bucket we are uploading and deleting some objects. So we want to get notified whenever any objects is uploaded or deleted. So for that we need to create a event notification and we will be notified for every object which is uploaded and deleted. So now let's move on to the hands-on of event notification and create the first event notification into our S3 bucket. So let's start. Now let's enable the event notification into our S3 bucket. So for that, first of all, we need to create our bucket. So click on the create bucket button. And first of all, let's name our bucket. I'll name S3 Akriti event notification. After naming a bucket, we need to go to the region part. For me, I'm going to take the region by default only. If you want to change the region, you can change that. And after all the configurations, which is object ownership, block public access, and all the configurations, we are going to take it by default only. Let's go to the create bucket button and create the bucket. Let's wait till the bucket is created. Okay, so the bucket is created. Now let's view the bucket. Click on view details so the bucket will be opened. Okay, so now here we need to go to the properties part and scroll down, and while you are scrolling you will find event notification here. This is a event notification option and we have two options here. One is the event notification and second is the Amazon event bridge. Both work similar, but event notification bridge is bit difficult for us. If you want to use Amazon event bridge, you can edit the button and you can on this option, but we are not going with Amazon event bridge at this point. We are going to choose event notification. So let's click on create event notification and let's create the event notification. We'll name the event notification as demo event notification, and we are not going to touch the prefix and suffix part as it is optional. Let's go to the events type. So here we are going to choose that of what events we need to generate the notification. So we are going to choose all objects which are created. When the object is created, the event notification will be generated for us. You can go with the specific part also, put, post, then copy or multi-part upload complete. And we have many options like object removal, object storage, object ACL. You can choose as many as you can, but for this video, as it is a demo, we are going to just click on all the objects which are created. So whenever any object is created into our bucket, the event will be generated, right? So this is the events types, and now next is the main part, which is the destination part. So okay, we have specified that for what event we need to generate a notification, and now we have to specify that on which destination the notification will be generated. So here we are given three parts. First is lambda function, second is SNS topic, and third is SQSQ. You can choose any of three destination, whichever is visible to you or whichever you like. For this video, we are going to choose SQSQ. So click that. First of all, before choosing it, we need to create a SQSQ. So let's create it. Let's go to the service and open it into a new tab. Let's wait till the service is opened. Here, first of all, we have to click on create queue and let's name our queue as demo SQS queue. And by all the other configurations, we are going to take it as default only. So let's create the queue. Okay, so our queue is created successfully. We are able to see here the policy type also. The policy which is attached to our bucket, we are able to see it here. After some time, we will change this policy because it will not work when we have created the event notification. So we have to change that. First of all, let's go to our event notification and select the SQS queue which we have created. And I'll say that it will give an error because we have not changed our policy. But let's get error and see that what error we are getting. Then we'll come here and edit our policy. So let's go to our event notification tab. And here let's find our SQS queue. Right? Click on choose the SQS queue. And we are not able to see any queue here. Let's refresh the page. Then I think it will get the SQS queue which we have created. Let's again name our queue as demo event notification. Then we are going to the event types and click here on all object create events. And in the destination part, we are going to choose SQS queue. And let's choose our queue. We are able to see the queue here. So click it. And now let's save the change. As I told, it will give an error, and it is giving the error that it is not able to validate the following destination configurations. Yes, so we have to change our access policy of the SQS queue. Let's edit it and let's create a policy for it. Let's go to the policy part and click on generate policy. So here we are going to create a policy for SQS queue. Let's wait. Okay. Here we need to select SQS queue, and in effect we are going to select allow because we want to allow. In principle, we are going to choose every user is able to access. Then for actions, we need to choose to send a message, right? Here is the send message action. Let's select it. And here we need to specify the ARN of our bucket. Sorry, queue, not bucket. So let's go to the access policy and copy the ARN here. Let's copy and paste it here. Okay. So our policy is ready. Now let's add the statement and generate the policy. So our policy is ready now. Now let's copy it and close it. Let's add it to the access policy part. Here then we will save the changes. Okay, after saving the changes, let's go to the event notification tab and again click on save changes. Yes, so the permission is provided and our queue is validated now. So our event notification is generated. After the event notification is created, let's go to the queue and check the test event is generated or not. So click on send and receive message in the demo queue. And here down, click on poll for messages. And then you will see the message here. Click on the message. The notification is generated for us. This is a test event, right? Now we will upload some objects and the notification will be generated for uploading the objects. So click on done and delete the message. Click on delete. And let's go to the event notification bucket and upload some objects here. Click on add files and add some files. Click on upload. So the file is successfully uploaded. Click on close and now let's go to our queue and again say or again click on poll for messages. Here the event is generated for us. Okay, so we are able to see that the event for the object uploadation is generated here. We can see the event name as object created. Right, we have selected this action in the event types of when we were creating the event notification, and we can see the file name here down, which is our channel's profile.jpg, which we have uploaded. So this is how you can generate the event notifications through of your S3 bucket, and you can save it into your SQS queue. So that's it for the video. Meeting you in the next video.